Hello, my dear JEE warriors. This is your Captain Shreyas, and a very important and urgent notification for the JEE 2026 aspirants. Now, just some time back, I had launched the Sigma Crash Batch in pure English for all the 2026 aspirants, and there were many comments below this particular video asking, "Sir, I already have the Ekalvya Test Series. Please do something for me because I joined it 2 weeks back, or maybe 1 week back, or 1 month back." And I also want to be a part of the Sigma batch. Now, remember, in the Sigma Crash, you're not only getting those 93 classes, the assignments, and the study material and doubt solving and so much more, but you're also getting the Ekalvya Test Series, where after a topic is being taught, next day only or by maximum 2 days, you are having that same topics in the Ekalvya Test Series. So like that, 93 tests are there by December end, and after that you are having part tests and 25 full syllabus tests, right? So already the Sigma Crash Batch students are getting the crash lectures plus the Ekalvya Test Series bundled together at an offer price of 2,999. But for those students who are already a part of Ekalvya Test Series, for them a special arrangement has been made so that you can pay that price difference and you can join this same batch, so you will not be affected at all. So what you need to do is, basically, if you are in your let's say your batch, so just go to your batch and you will see this particular tab called as notices. Like, there are many tabs. One is a resource tab, right? And one is a schedule tab where you can see all the tests being scheduled and all of that. Then you will also see this particular notice tab. Just go down into that notice tab and you will see Sigma JEE Crash in pure English with your favorite teachers is live, and just click on this particular link, and that link will open up the page for your payment, and you can pay the difference amount, and you will be obviously enrolled into the JEE Sigma Crash Batch. Okay, so it's a very simple solution. This is only available for all the students who already joined the JEE Ekalvya Test Series, where you will be able to enroll into the Sigma batch. And anyways, the Sigma batch students will be getting both the lectures plus the test series along with all the study material, like I discussed during the live launch session. Cool. So I hope your problem is solved. And like this only, guys, we not only listen to our hearts and our minds, but we also listen into your comments. So that is why I always say, please comment below, because we cannot always read your minds. And if you have some genuine problem, if you put it, and trust me, even if it is few students, I will make sure that your problem will get solved. That is the promise which your captain makes for all the JEE 2026 aspirants. Okay, so together I'm pretty sure this batch is going to solve not just your problems, but also help you achieve your goal of 99 percentile. So thank you so much, and God bless you all, and see you in the Sigma batch. The lectures will be starting from 10th of November, but a lot of other things will be you will be starting to see it on your dashboard as well. Cool. Bye bye. Take care.